In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt to create Tradingview indicator. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just starting out, creating custom indicators for analysis can feel like a daunting task. But with the power of AI, specifically Chatgpt, this process becomes intuitive and efficient. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to use Chatgpt to generate PineScript code and integrate it seamlessly into Tradingview. Plus, we'll make sure your custom indicator is ready to use for your trading strategy. If you haven't created a Chatgpt account yet, you can use the link in the description to get started. To begin, open Chatgpt in your web browser. This is your starting point for generating the PineScript code you'll need to create your Tradingview indicator. Once you have Chatgpt open, start a new chat session. This ensures you have a clean slate to work with, free from any prior conversations or distractions. Next, take a moment to decide on the type of indicator you want to create. This is a crucial step because it determines the functionality and features that will be included in your PineScript code. For example, are you looking to create an indicator with built-in risk management tools like a stop loss and target percentage, or perhaps something that highlights specific market conditions? Having a clear idea in mind will make the process much smoother. Once you've decided, it's time to input a clear and specific prompt into Chatgpt. The more detailed you are, the better the results will be. For instance, you could type something like, "Give me an indicator in PineScript with a stop loss and a target of 10%. Including details like this ensures that the generated code aligns with your needs and includes important features such as risk management. When Chatgpt provides the PineScript code, take a moment to review it carefully. This is your chance to check for any unusual elements or see if there are opportunities to customize the code further to suit your trading strategy. Once you're satisfied with the code, highlight it in its entirety. Then copy it by either pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-clicking and selecting Copy. Now, let's move into the next phase, using the PineScript editor in Tradingview. Open your web browser and search for Tradingview Script Editor. Once you land on the Tradingview website, log into your account if prompted. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one. It's free to get started. After logging in, navigate to the PineScript editor within Tradingview. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier. Simply click into the blank script template and press Ctrl+V to paste it. At this point, make sure to assign a descriptive name to your script. This step is important because a clear, unique name will help you locate the script later, especially if you end up creating multiple custom indicators. Once you've named your script, click Save. Keep in mind that the save process might take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Next up, we're going to add the indicator to your Tradingview chart. Open your Tradingview chart, which is where you conduct your analysis. At the top of the chart, click on the Indicators option. This will open a menu where you can search for your custom indicator. Use the search bar to type in the exact name you assigned earlier. Once you see your indicator in the search results, select it. Finally, add the indicator to your chart. This step allows you to visualize and use the custom indicator you just created. After adding it, verify that the indicator appears correctly on your chart. If everything looks good, you're ready to start using it in your trading analysis. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.